Okay, so if you've been on the fitness industry online, you've probably heard about LMNT, the electrolyte drink.
Today's episode is also brought to us by LMNT.
Brought to you by LMNT.
And in today's video, we're going to see, for my Europe viewers, maybe Americans as well, if there are some LMNT alternatives, because LMNT is currently not available in the EU. So what we have Isostar, we have Noordcode, and we have Salte. We're going to go over each and every one of them to see if it's something for you. Now, first and foremost, what's the idea with electrolytes? Well, the idea is if you're doing high intensity training or any type of cardio where you sweat a lot, when sweating, you excrete a lot of sweat, and sweat contains salts. So that means that you're basically losing salts out of your body. So we want to replenish them, because if you just use plain water, you're going to dilute the fluids in your body even more of those electrolytes. So by taking a fluid that contains electrolytes, you replenish and you're basically going to feel a lot better. And that's also my experience. So when I first started doing jiu-jitsu, I took around 2 liters of water with me on a training session, and I drank the whole thing. Now, the problem is the training sessions are at 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. So that means that I'm drinking water, a lot of water, late at night. And that means I have to pee a lot. And that also meant that I didn't feel like I was ever getting enough water. So I thought, hey, why not try electrolytes? And everybody knows Isostar. It's like a performance drink. I thought you can buy this in just the regular store. Why not try this? The only downside is you need in 750 milligrams. So you need 3 scoops of this. So it's like 40 grams of this thing that goes into your water. Contains a lot of sugars as well. And I felt better. I felt like I had to drink less, but it also hurt my stomach rolling around, doing some rolls, doing some sparring sessions with this in my system. So I liked it for the hydration part. I didn't like it for how it made me feel. So I looked online, I came across Noordcode, apparently a very similar product to LMNT. And what's so great about LMNT, on paper at least, is that it only contains the electrolytes that you need. It contains natural flavoring, no artificial sweeteners, only plant-based sweeteners like stevia. So it's very natural, it's bare bones, it's what you need and nothing you don't. That's at least what the ads say, but that's also what I believe when you read the LMNT page. Now, LMNT is actually so kind that on their website, they tell you how you can make LMNT for yourself. Just get the ingredients like the electrolytes, you add the flavoring, and then boom, you have it. So they tell you on their website how you can make their product for free. Now, that's cool, but most people are not going to do this. Most people want something that's ready, they can buy, they want to consume. And that's what I did. So I got Noordcode to start with. I got 2 packages. One is the daily electrolytes, contains a little bit less electrolytes, but something you can drink like on a daily basis, just 1 serving of this. It's also not that big, and I'll try not to spill this one. It has a little tiny scooper of 3 grams. You put that into your water, boom, you feel the electrolytes going through your system. And then this one is more the performance. It has about 1 gram of sodium, it has 400 grams of potassium, and it has 76 milligrams of magnesium. So a lot more packed, and that's also what you taste. Like, you really taste a very salty type of flavor into your mouth, but also the flavoring itself is like subtle. It's there. It's pleasant, I would say. You feel like you're adding salts to your diet, which feels super healthy, and then you also have like a pleasant taste to that, which is super awesome. Very good. This one has 100 milligrams of magnesium, where LMNT only has 60. So very good if you want to get more magnesium in, get Noordcode. Now, what's cool about this, and that comes with the natural flavoring, like Salte also has those natural flavorings, is that they get bad very quickly. So that means you drink it, or you put it in your water, 1 or 2 hours, it feels great. If you let it overnight, oh my God, the beaker will stink. And that's good. That means that it's natural, that it goes bad if it's into the water. That's all good because this is stored dry. It won't go bad that way. But it just shows that it's a natural thing, and that's, yeah. If it doesn't smell bad after 10, 20 hours, that means that there's a lot of chemicals in there you don't want. So I like it that it goes bad after after a night. So yeah, I use this on a daily. I use this for jiu-jitsu. Then I said, hey, if I want to make a video about this, I need at least 3 things to show you. So I searched online. I came across Salte. I think that's how it's pronounced. It has 800 milligrams of sodium, 400 milligrams of potassium. That's the same as LMNT and Noordcode, and then 60 milligrams of magnesium. Also, very bare bones flavoring. They have apple, strawberry, lemon, and orange, which I like very much. Noordcode has more of these like exotic flavors. This one is lemon and orange, and this one is passion fruit papaya. So a little more sophisticated kind of flavoring. I don't know if you're a connoisseur what you'll prefer, but yeah. Also, this one only comes in these little pouches. Very good on the go. You throw that into your bag. You drink it with your water. It's very easy. It has more waste. Every single serving has a different package. So I don't know if you like that. I don't really like that because I prepare my drinks beforehand. This one is just boom. You take a scooper, you take a bit out, and you're on the go. So yeah, my recommendations, both of them, try them out. They're equally expensive or not expensive. Just get one of both, see what you like, see what resonates more with you, and I think you're going to be good. I think these are very good drinks, especially if you're doing jiu-jitsu, martial arts, any types of sport that gets your heart rate up and gets you sweating. These things I recommend. This thing, maybe some specific case that, or for a sport that I'm not doing, but I'm not really a fan of the Isostar. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Are you drinking electrolytes? Do you think you need this? Do you use it? What is your story? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm happy to discuss. And if because of this video you bought any of these, let me know in the comments down below. This is not sponsored, so I don't get anything out of this. It's just me sharing my opinion. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!